Alrighty, Kevin, here's your 427 small block 4. I'll give you a description of this combination. Obviously, it's Borla. They're all polished, beautiful. Got a set of our CNC heads on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Alternator, make sure it charges. Front sump oil pan. Corner, make a run. Since she does, stay tuned. Okie dokie, 3600, it's 463 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 546, peak horsepower 596, rated at 575, so it runs really good. It's a new head combination in the Borla. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure exhaust is good and clean for you, show you a couple other things. See your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card. It's USB card full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, things of that nature. Definitely plug it in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It will have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number, if you need anything from us, easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, QR code, and take you to some more tech stuff. So really recommend watching all this. It'll help you installation. Have a great day.